Okay, so hi everyone, this is Chanchal from Team AI Alchemist. So today we'll dive into the world of astrology and AI. So we have choose the problem statement 3, that is Soul Buddy, and we have kept the name of our prototype as Soul Buddy only. So I'll be sharing how we have developed a personalized astrology application that combines the power of data stacks for efficient data storage and retrieval along with GPT-3 for generating insightful astrological predictions and recommendations. So moving on to the homepage. So we have this homepage, and there with that we show the latest insights of the blogs which are trending on each of the pages, and where the user can go and view all the articles. After that, we have featured videos so that user can choose any of the video according to the recommendations. And why choose Soul Buddy? Because it's an AI powered insights. You'll be getting accurate predictions, and also it will be available 24/7. And yes, it's also private and secure. So, talking about the product specification, the core features are like getting advanced Kundi chart generation with detailed analysis and AI powered spiritual chart support available 24/7. And with that, also a personalized recommendation for spiritual growth. Okay, so moving on to the second page, that is Kundli. So in this we'll keep the things. Okay, so this is by default, we have kept all these things. And I'll choose this. It takes a few seconds to generate the Kundli, and then till that I'll tell you about, like, our project is all about creating an astrology app that provides personalized horoscope predictions, generates birth charts, and offers insightful guidance based on real-time planetary data. So this is how basically Kundli chart has been generated, showing all the things. It shows all the house cards and the planet position, like what all are the latitudes and the longitudes at that time, even giving the birth details. As I've mentioned, the city as the Mathura, so what are the latitudes and longitude? And it also provides the astrological insights, that is, what is the life path and personality, career and public standing, and even about the relationships and partnerships. Also about the spiritual goal, growth, health and vitality, wealth and resources. It also provides a personalized horoscope reading where you can get a general insights of your horoscope, like providing that transiting sun in Capricorn, that is the 10th house, what is the 6th house, like this is basically a general insight. Then it also provides the career path, how is good your love life is, or health and wellness, what are all are your lucky elements and the lucky color. And with that you can also generate another chart. So this is all what it's contained in a Kundli. Then we have this page of horoscope. So basically in horoscope you'll be getting a generalized horoscope for each of the horoscope. Like for me it's Aries. I'll choose Aries, and it shows like what are the date, and then what are the element, that is fire, and the ruling planet, that is and the symbol, what it is. It also shows the key traits of all the horoscope. So if I click on Gemini, so it will show like ruling planet for Gemini is Mercury, for Capricorn it's Saturn. So this is how it works. We also have a chatbot system where we use GPT-3. But with that, I also want to tell you that we have also used data stacks. So basically, why we have used that? Because it handles a massive amounts of astrological data, and with the help of GPT-3, we'll be delivering natural and personalized insights. So why data stacks? Because, well, it's based on Cassandra, so which is perfect for scaling horizontally, making it ideal for handling large data sets like profile users, planetary position, and astrological charts. So user will be giving the user data like the birth details, the city, the timings. So it will be creating a proper chart on the basis of that. After the chart system, where you can talk like according to your recommendations, we have this recommendation page which will be telling about the crystals, books, practices, and the rituals. Like we have this amethyst crystal, the power of now, morning meditation. This all will be personalized according to your inputs which you will be giving as a user. And with that, we'll be providing you also the blog section where you can study the articles, and if you want to subscribe the platform, you can subscribe and get more insights on the basis of that. And in the end we have this video section. So on the basis of your recommendations and your personalization, video will be suggested to the user. So this is how basically we are going to use this, and how Kundli, the birth chart, and horoscope is